This simple small vessel has the characteristic punty mark of a small dot in the center of the base of the object. The vessel is begun the typical Roman way, the bottom flattened, and the punty or pontal, which is a metal rod tipped with molten glass, is used to hold the vessel at its base. It's blown just before attaching so as not to stick too well. The vessel is broken free of its blowpipe and at the end reheated in the mouth of the furnace. When the glass is about 13 or 1400 degrees Fahrenheit, it begins to soften and the rim can be given its final shape. The metal rod is tapped on to break the connection, and this leaves a characteristic dot in the center, the typical punty mark or pontal mark. The vessel is then placed in the annealing oven for slow cooling.